you're coming from, you can make up to $3,000 on complete autopilot, and for free. I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money today using a site you may never have heard of before. Here at Make Money Now, we show you how to earn money online the simple way, so subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Each time we upload a video on making money online, you will be notified and get started. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video. Let's get back to the video. With that said, you guys, let's now jump straight into the video itself. Okay, so let's get right to it. The site we'll be using today to get paid is called Kickstico. As you can see, this site is where you can get real Instagram followers. And we know that it's legit, thanks to the bunch of huge companies showcased on here. Like Forbes, for example. The thing with this website is that it doesn't get you followers by you buying them. Instead, you need to find profiles similar to your own, since their followers may like your page. As you can see, what happens from there is Kickstico essentially does all of the work for you. Kickstico will like posts of people who follow profiles similar to yours on your behalf. Just keep adding relevant profiles to get the maximum exposure. And in this fashion, people will see you in their notifications. And chances are they will want to follow you back simply because they're following pages similar to your own. As you can see here, because you engage with similar audiences, some of those people will follow you back. As long as you post quality content frequently, success is guaranteed. So as you can see, you guys, as I said, you don't get followers with this site by simply buying them outright. You instead get people who might like your page to follow you. So don't worry, we won't be paying this site whatsoever. Because as I said, we're talking about a free strategy here. That, of course, begs the question, what are we doing here? How will this get us paid? Well, we will be promoting it as an affiliate. And don't click off, you guys, because this site is arguably one of the highest paying sites out there. And I'll show you exactly how to find targeted traffic. In any case, you now need to scroll down to the bottom of this page, and then simply click on affiliates right here. This is basically where you will sign up to become an affiliate. And when you do so, you'll get an affiliate link. And whenever signs up via that link, you'll get paid. How many? Well, check this out below. This site offers you 50% commissions. This is why I said it pays a lot of money. This is one of the highest paid sites, as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. For most websites, you're lucky to get 30%, but this site offers you 50%. Now, in case you don't know much about affiliate marketing, what 50% commissions mean is that you get to keep 50% of the money that a customer you referred here paid Kicksta, which I have said is huge. Apart from that, however, they also have some very nice features and a 45-day cookie lifespan, 100% timely payouts, so you always get paid on time, monthly newsletters with cool features and deals. Here you can see that you can get bonuses and get paid more money, which is awesome, to say the least. And finally, you will have access to an affiliate management team with all the great features you guys have. At the bottom of the page, you can read some testimonials and frequently asked questions, but I won't go over them. What I instead want to show you is how much money we're talking about. Because a 50% commission doesn't mean anything if the prices are low. Clicking on pricing will show you exactly how much money we're talking about. And on this page, you can see that they have two pricing plans, standard and premium, which costs $50 and $100 respectively. So if someone grabs the standard plan, you get paid $25, which is a decent amount of money for just a single customer, not to mention the fact that many will go for the premium one as well regardless. So if you get 100 people to sign up for the standard plan, ignoring the premium one, for now, that means you make $2,500, which is quite a bit. Moreover, I will be showing you a traffic source that will allow you to reach thousands of people out there. I have to mention something because it's a fantastic feature that makes the site even better. It's the fact that it has a 14-day money-back guarantee. This is very important because people don't want to give away their money just like that. And rightly so. This is why when you tell them that there is a 14-day money-back guarantee, there's a much better chance that they will give Kicksta a try. And when they see how much it is helping them, I can guarantee you that they will want to keep using it. And thus you can earn more money. All in all, this site is fantastic to promote as an affiliate, you guys. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. To get started, Just come over here and then click on sign up, enter in your first and last names, email address, and password. Complete this captcha by clicking on I'm not a robot. Tick this box and then click on sign up now to create your brand new account. With all that done, let me show you how you'll be able to get traffic to your affiliate link. Believe it or not, Google will be helpful here. Now, something we'll be doing here is very similar to something we did in one of my previous videos. What you want to do is search for a city or town and business. For example, it can be gyms in some city or whatever, or a store of some sort. Any business in any town or city that you can think of anywhere around the globe. I decided to search for bars in Los Angeles. As you can see, what you want to do when you search for a business type is scroll down and click on View All right here. This will show me all the bars in Los Angeles. And as you can see, there are a lot of them. What you now need to do is randomly pick one of these and click on them. Now your next step is to click on the website here. And that will take you over to their website. And it's on their website that we can see if they have any social media accounts. And most businesses nowadays do this simply because they do understand the value and importance of online marketing. The info about their social media can be generally found at the bottom or top of the page. Either way, for this page, it's located right here. And I just have to click on this one to open their account. But not all businesses will have Instagram accounts. How many of them do depend highly on the type of business we're talking about. If they don't have an account, then move on to the next business until you find one. The second important thing is that you want the said account do not have too many followers. Because if they do, they won't be interested in using Kicksta. If they have less than 10,000 followers, then that's fantastic. And this one, as you can see, only has this amount of followers on their account. What you love to do is simply contact these people and tell them more followers will make them look far more appealing to future customers, and will get them more customers in general. This strategy works for you guys. And the reason first off is because most businesses nowadays have Instagram accounts. But most businesses don't have that many followers on those very same accounts, since we're talking about businesses. And the second and arguably most important fact is that they'll have a bigger budget and some money to spare. This is exactly why they are the perfect customers. They have the money to spare, and they'll also need the followers Kicksta will bring them. You get paid, they get their followers, which will increase the number of customers they will get. So literally everybody wins. And you can just repeat the same process with other businesses all around the globe. You will never run out of customers. And that is the best thing about this strategy. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.